Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Patriot Bank online banking features from my personal experience as a customer. When I first switched to Patriot Bank, I was looking for convenience without sacrificing security, and their online and mobile banking has delivered on both. For me, the top feature is the seamless mobile check deposit. Honestly, taking a picture of a check with my phone and having it deposited in just a few clicks has been a massive time saver. I almost never have to visit a physical branch anymore. The second feature I rely on heavily is the online bill pay. I've set up recurring payments for my utilities and my monthly rent, and it eliminates the need for stamped checks and the risk of late fees. I can quickly manage one-time payments, too. It's simple, secure, and keeps my finances super organized in one place. Next up are the account alerts and controls. This is crucial for keeping my money safe and staying on budget. I get real-time notifications via text or email if my balance drops below a certain amount or if a large transaction posts. Plus, the debit card controls feature is a game changer for security. I can literally turn my debit card off and on from the app if I misplace it, and I can set spending limits. That level of immediate control gives me huge peace of mind. Finally, the ability to easily transfer funds is essential. I can quickly move money between my checking and savings accounts within Patriot Bank in minutes, which is great for building up my emergency fund or separating my budget. They also support Zelle, so sending money to friends or family is just as fast and easy. In summary, the combination of quick mobile deposits, simple bill pay, robust security controls, and easy fund transfers makes Patriot Bank's online platform a highly effective tool for managing my finances on the go. It's been an educational process to learn to use all these features, but it has definitely made my financial life much smoother. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.